In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ChatGPT not creating images or taking too long to generate images. So if you're trying to generate an image, but it is taking forever for the image to be generated, or the image is not forthcoming, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. Now, in the first method, all you need to do is to go ahead and free up your memory. To free up your memory on ChatGPT, just go to settings here by clicking on your name and then click on settings. From settings, go ahead and choose personalize here. And if you click on personalize, scroll down and then look for memory. And then if you tap on memory, you should be able to see all the memories that you saved here. Go ahead and free them by clicking on delete all memory and check this box to delete the past versions of memories that you saved. And by clicking on delete all, you'll free up space and go ahead and generate your image again. Now at this point, if you go ahead, you should be able to see your image generated. But in case your image is still generating and it has taken too long, then take the next step, and that is just go to library here. And if you click on library here, you should be able to see all the AI images that you generated, and your newly generated image should be amongst these images. So there is a possibility while the other is showing you it's still generating, your image has already been generated. Go ahead and just click on it and then download it to start using your generated image. Now, if this didn't solve your problem, then head to the third method, and that is to clear your browser history. And you can simply do that by clicking on the ellipses here. However, if you are on Chrome browser, to clear your ChatGPT history, go ahead and click on these three dots here and then head to history, and under history choose again history, and from here you should see all the history that you have on your browser. Go ahead and just click on delete browsing history. Choose the length of time. For instance, if you want to choose to clear for lifetime or the last 4 weeks, go ahead and choose it and then delete data. Now once that is done, go ahead and try generating your image, and this should be done. Now at this point, everything should be okay and your image should have been generated. However, if you're still encountering a problem, then it might mean that you are trying to generate an image from a thread that is quite too lengthy or too long. So if you are trying to generate it on a long thread, then you need to go ahead and just click on new chat, and using a new chat, go ahead and paste your image prompt and then click on generate. Now by using a new thread, your image should be generated within seconds, and ChatGPT should be responsive at this point. And as you can see, my image has been generated instantly. I can now proceed and download, or if I go to library, I should be able to find it here. So that's how you can fix ChatGPT not creating images or taking too long to generate images. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.